We're the Niases. We've moved to an almost off-the-grid setup located in Melbourne, Australia. After what has been a never-ending series of lockdowns across the country, we decided to make a move. Along this experience, we've learned some great skills, like building a shed, framing our internal walls, installing insulation, hanging some plasterboard, and the list goes on and on. We've been on a hell of a ride so far, and we invite you to join us on our journey of self-discovery. So leave a comment and give us your thoughts or tips on what we're doing right or wrong. Hit the like button to show us a little bit of love, and don't forget to subscribe and stay notified with our journey. Now, let's get started. Another nice beautiful day at the container. So what we're working on today is we're going to unload all the stuff that we brought up for the kitchen and whatnot, which is going to help us to figure out where all the drainage pipes are going to go. Then what we're going to do is we're going to come back into the container. We're going to sweep and vacuum everything out, which we'll do today, or first up. Then what we're going to do is, after we've done the drainage, we're going to start hanging up some of the plasterboard on the areas where there's no water. So pretty much everywhere except for mainly the kitchen and the bathroom is pretty much good to go with plaster. So today we're going to start laying some of that down once we figure out, or once we finish off the drainage. So that's what's up first. Yeah, it's going to be very exciting. As you can see, kind of like around me just here, we've done all the insulation, and as you can tell when we're getting a little bit further down into the container, it's starting to sound a little bit different. That's obviously because we've got all the insulation up, and it's starting to become quite soundproof and obviously weatherproof, which is going to be really good. So as you can kind of see, what we're doing is we're putting in some of the walls for where the kitchen's going to go. So on the other side you'll see the walls that are there set up, and on this side that's given us enough space to then put in these extra padding or the insulation on this side. The insulation's going to be for the toilet, so we can obviously keep it quiet as we're doing our business, but also keep it kind of nice and warm as well. So we're going to chop down a little bit more of the wall. We mismeasure it just a little bit. I'm going to chuck that on, chuck the top one on, finish off that wall that the camera's standing in between, and then insulate this wall, and then that's all the walls insulated at least. Then next what we're going to do is put the plaster on the inside of the wall, leaving the main wall for where the water's going to go for now, and then yeah.
Please subscribe next time. Goodbye.